Assalamualukm respected doctors. Welcome to my YouTube channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today on our YouTube channel video number is 344 and today our lecture is related to dental anatomy or also known as oral histology or oral biology. Now today chapter is dentine and we will cover this chapter in 4 to 5 videos, but today is the first video of this chapter, which is the part 1 of this chapter. And today the topic outline is number 1, definition of dentin, and number 2, physical properties of dentin, and number 3, the chemical properties of dentin or composition of dentin, and the 4th topic outline is the function of dentin. Now first we start from the definition of dentin. Now in definition we will study the 4 points. Number 1 is that dentin is the mineralized tissue that form the bulk of the tooth, make the main part of the tooth. Second is that it form the main part of the tooth. The third point is in definition is that it is rigid but elastic, therefore ideal to support the enamel. The 4th point is it is unlike enamel. Dentin is a vital tissue which containing the cell processes of odontoblast and neuron, but the enamel is the non-vital tissue. Now look at this diagram. The outer layer is the enamel, which is thin, then the second layer is the dentin, which is dark, and the bulkiest and the thick layer. Therefore it forms the bulk of the tooth. Now after definition come to the physical properties of the dentin. In physical properties we will study first is the color. Dentin, the color of dentin, it is yellowish in color. Look at this diagram. The outer layer is the enamel, which is whitish, and the second is the dentin, which is yellowish in color. Now come to the second is the after color is the hardness. Now dentin contain 20% less mineral than enamel, therefore softer than enamel but harder than bone and cementum. Next is the permeability. In permeability, it is highly permeable due to dentinal tubule which extend from dento-enamel junction to the pulp. Now after permeability, resiliency. Dentin is resilient or slightly elastic, therefore acting as a cushion under the hard brittle enamel. And the 4th is the thickness. Now dentin is thicker than enamel and its thickness increase with age because it occupies the pulp space, because with age the pulp size become decrease and the space occupied by dentin. Now after physical property come to the chemical properties or composition. Now by the composition we divide the dentin into organic component and inorganic component. Now the organic component of dentin by percentage wise it is 32 to 35%. In 30%, the 20% is the collagen type 1 and the remaining 10% consists of water. Now come to the inorganic component. Now by percentage the inorganic component is the 65 to 70%, which is hydroxyapatite crystal, mean consists of calcium and phosphate. Now after composition, come to the last part of this video, the function of dentin. There are 4 functions of dentin. Number 1 is dentin protect the pulp, mean protect from external stimuli, cold, heat and irritant of filling material. Second, it gives the yellowish hue of enamel, the yellowish color to the enamel. The third function of dentin is it acts as a shock absorber because it is elastic. The fourth function, it determines the shape of the crown. Why? Because it forms the bulk of the tooth, it forms the main thickness of the tooth. Now today our topic is complete. Now we have Telegram channels and WhatsApp groups for you. If you are MBBS student, we have a Telegram channel by the name First to Final Year MBBS Lecture. And if you are BDS student, we have a Telegram channel by name First to Final Year BDS Lecture, where we daily share notes, books, past papers and our YouTube channel link. If now come to the WhatsApp groups. If you are first year BDS student, for boys we have separate group and for girls we have separate group. Now for second year BDS we have only group for boys, and for third year BDS we also have only group for boys. After that we will make for girls also. Now all links of channels and groups are present in the description of this video. You can join by directly click the link. Now today our topic is complete. If you like my video, press the like button and share this video with your friends in order to they also improve their studies. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon in order to you receive my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.